This is Karcher's second project in Indonesia, following the very successful cleaning of the national monument Monas in Jakarta.
Jadi objektif kami sebenarnya memberikan sharing knowledge, pengetahuan serta teknologi Karcher bagaimana membersihkan dengan benar.
At Karcher, cultural sponsoring specifically involves supporting the preservation and maintenance of historical monuments and cultural heritage sites. We do this through specialized cleaning technology and expertise.
So one of the biggest challenges in cleaning the Bajra Sandhi monument here is one is the access. We need scaffolding to reach the higher parts.
Our advanced cleaning technologies, like the hot pressure washer on steam mode, are perfect for this delicate task.
Another challenge is the surface itself. We have different materials here. We have the lava stone, the black lava stone, but we have some concrete decorations and other materials where we have to take care on it. We are using 3 hot water high pressure cleaners, professional hot water high pressure cleaners. And we are working not in high pressure, we are working in the steam mode, which is a pressure reduced maximum temperature cleaning method. So the power of the temperature gives us the cleaning result. And there is a technical reason why we are cleaning here. It's less the visible part, because the whole monument of the high humidity here is full of microbiological growth. That is algae, bacteria, fungi. It's a biofilm. And we are removing this biofilm because on this biofilm trees can grow. We can see that everywhere. Everywhere there are little and higher plants and trees are growing, which can cause really serious damages to the monument because their roots are going inside every gap, inside every joint or crack, and is moving very heavy rocks easily. And this is causing a lot of damage to the monument.
PT Karcher Indonesia dan kemudian memberikan solusi teknologi bagaimana merawat dan melestarikan Monumen Bajra Sandhi ini.
And preserving it aligns with our commitment to maintain important cultural landmarks. In the last 40 years, we supported over 190 projects worldwide, and I promise there will be many more similar projects in upcoming years to come. I would like to take the opportunity to say thank you to the management and all the people that are working here at the Bajra Sandhi Monument. Thank you very much for making this cleaning activity possible. Thank you for your support, and I wish you all the best for the future. Please maintain and preserve this very important historical monument.